Has been bags. Anytime now, race number 9. Another 1300 meters is the distance. All set, ready to race number 9. The favorite, Senyales. Anytime now. Away they go. Aloha. By the rail rushing up Senyales. Bliss also moving up smart and noble. Moving up by the rail is Kaligatan. It's now entry number 6. Aloha. Bliss in second. Senyales, Kaligatan, Smart and Noble, Kashmira. Racing on the outside is entry number 8. This one is Temptress. And inside the last 750, Aloha. While I can have Kashmira in second, Smart and Noble, Bliss racing on the outside, fifth, Senyales, and at the far turn, Aloha, Smart and Noble, Senyales on the outside, burning the tracks, moves up, pokes his nose to grab the lead. It's now Senyales by the rail, Smart and Noble, and on the outside, Bliss on the further outside, Silver Ridge, Kashmira, and as they race the final corner, Senyales, Smart and Noble fighting for the lead. It's Smart and Noble, Senyales on the outside. It's Smart and Noble, Senyales, Senyales, Smart and Noble bobbing for their head. It's now Smart and Noble, Senyales on the outside. Smart and Noble, Senyales, and finally Smart and Noble overpowering Senyales. Okihok took third. Bliss, Kashmira.